doing breakfast on the beach. When we come back, we're going to show you an easy way to stir up a little breakfast on the griddle.
I'm just traveling. I'm just traveling on.
We're using refrigerated shredded hash browns, bacon, mixed bell peppers and onions, cheddar cheese, eggs, butter, and a little salt and pepper. Marty pre-fried the bacon, then sauteed the peppers and onions on one side of the griddle while frying up the hash browns with a little butter. He added in the pre-cooked bacon and peppers to mix all the flavors together. Once things started to crisp up, he made a center for the eggs and cracked each of them into the center. He fried them to our desired doneness and then added a little salt and pepper. Voila! We had a delicious breakfast skillet on the griddle.